In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a meeting room in Google Calendar. This process is straightforward and can save you a lot of time when scheduling meetings. Google Calendar is a versatile tool that not only helps you keep track of your appointments, but also assists in managing your office's resources such as meeting rooms. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Calendar. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a view of your current week. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. The calendar is segmented by days and times, making it easy to view upcoming events and availability. Next, click on the date and time that you'd like to schedule your meeting. Alternatively, you can click on the Create button, which is usually highlighted and prominently located in your interface, making it easy to spot. This will open a new event window where you can enter details about your meeting. Now, this brings us to adding a meeting room. Directly in this window, you'll see an option labeled Add Room. Click on it. This feature allows Google Calendar to suggest available rooms based on your selected date and time. If your organization has set up room allocations, this process will bring up any available meeting rooms for you to choose from. In case you don't see an immediate match or available room, fear not. Google Calendar provides a secondary option called Browse All Rooms and Resources. By clicking on this option, it will display a comprehensive list of all available meeting rooms. This is particularly useful if your organization has multiple locations or specific rooms for different types of meetings. Browse through the list until you find a room that suits your meeting needs. Once you find a suitable room, simply click on it to add it to your meeting details. This step may seem small, but confirming the room allocation is crucial, especially in a busy office environment, to avoid double booking conflicts. After selecting your room and verifying all other details of your meeting, the last step is crucial. Make sure you click Save. This saves the meeting in your calendar and alerts all attendees via email if they are added to the event. Remember, it also reserves the room for the mentioned time slot, ensuring you have a designated space for your meeting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently book a meeting room using Google Calendar. It's a simple yet powerful feature that enhances collaborative work environments. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your organizational tasks.